it's Nadia and I'm back at it again with a new video. In today's week we are going to DIY yet another pillowcase. And since it's the Christmas season, it's only fair to do some Christmas themed pillowcases. And in this video we're going to do a pillowcase that is again inspired by our beloved Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer. It is super simple, requires only a few things and should be done in no time. So, what are we going to need to make the pillowcase? Well, first of all, as usual, we need fabric. So we need 2 panels, 47 by 47 centimeters for a 45 centimeter pillow. To make all the decorations on top of the pillow, we will need some felt fabric, and that is red, brown, and black. And in order to stick on the felt fabric, we will need our handy dandy hot glue gun. Of course, what cannot be missing is our amazing sewing machine. As always, you can do it by hand, but I prefer to use my sewing machine because I have it and it's easier and it's quicker. So let's get on to the video. But before we do that, oh my goodness, have you subscribed yet? Because if you haven't, what are you doing? Like, go hit that subscribe button. By that, you'll become the member of this amazing DIY family here on YouTube. You won't miss out on any further videos that will be coming up in the next weeks. And if you click the notification bell, you will be always notified once the new video is up. And by this, we can get onto the sewing part! Oh yeah, sorry, I just realized. One thing that we forgot is a zipper. Yeah, buy a 45 centimeter zipper because you need to close up the pillowcase somehow, right? So yeah, but now for reals though. Now we are actually finished. So let's get sewing! Well, let's get started. First of all, what we're going to do is we're going to take our fabric panels and we're going to do zigzag stitch all over, so that the fabric is not fraying, because that's not fun and we don't want that. So let's do that and then we will move on to the further steps. Well, now that we have it all zigzag stitched on the sides, all we have to do is spin it down on one side that we have a nice edge, and we're gonna use that side for the zipper. Otherwise it doesn't matter because we don't need any pretty sides inside, nobody cares. But since this one is seeable on the outside, we're going to pin it down and sew it with a straight stitch. Now that we have it pinned down, let's sew it down and we can attach the zipper and sew it together, and then we can finish it off. Okay, cool! Now we have sewn down both of our parts. Now we just have to stitch on our amazing zipper and we sew that part down. We have it pinned down. Now it's time to sew and sew it closed. And we're gonna be almost done. So now we have the zipper on and we can sew it closed. In this case, pin it down again on the sides that it's not like going all over the place. You don't have to, but it certainly does help. And then first sew the right and left side together and then make an opening in here and close the bottom side. So we have the side sews down. We'll do a little hole in this and we can sew it closed. Now we are finished. We are going to flip it, and now all we have to do is put on the rest of the decorations on it and we are done. So now that we have it all flipped, we can put on the ears, which we're going to cut out of the felt fabric. Also need the nose and the eyes. So I'm gonna start by tracing out my ears. I'm going to put the template for you in the link below, so make sure to check it out. Otherwise, you can just freehand it yourself. We need a nose, of course. And I'll do the eyes accordingly if I have these two on. So let's do a little snip snip action. Cut it out. Okay, cool. We have two of them. Now I just have to see which way I like to place them. Now we'll just do the eyes. Ooh, guys, it's coming so good together. We'll take out our hot glue gun and we can glue it on, and then it's finished. Do it very carefully. First of all, that you don't burn yourself and that you have it placed correctly, because there's no way back. Here we have the finished pillowcase. I think we should try it on a pillow that we know how it actually looks. I have a pillow, I have a case. Boom! And there we go, guys. So it is finished. It looks super cute. It looks amazing, and I hope you will try it as well. If you do so, make sure to post it on Instagram afterwards and tag me on there so I can see your creations. My Instagram is, by the way, over here. And guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did and you think that this cute boy deserves a like, hit the like button. I will more than appreciate that. If you want to see more of such videos, make sure to check out the channel and subscribe down below so that you know when the new videos are coming up, and when you hit the notification bell, you will be notified anytime there is a new video popping up. So, I'm looking forward to see you next week on Sunday at 7 p.m. And until then, bye guys!